Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at these LUXU cleaning towels. This is a 25 pack of towels. They're biodegradable, made of plant material, and they're nice and thick, so I have high hopes for these. So as you take off the wrap there's actually a little area perforation here. You can go ahead and open them up. There you go. It's basically kind of like a little tissue box design. You can leave this on your sink. You don't have to worry about guests wiping their hands, maybe getting some dirt on a hand towel. With these you get a nice fresh clean towel each time. This basically folds up half and half, so the size you're seeing is about a quarter of the actual size. The material seems very thick since it's made of plant material. I'm sure it's quite absorbent. Wow, that's very difficult to rip. And the fact it's biodegradable is very good because I want to make sure that I'm not throwing this away. It's just polluting the landfills. So I'm sure like after you use these, you can even go ahead and put them in the compost. And I like how there's 25 of them in there, so you can basically have these out at parties and it'll just make your sink in your household seem a lot cleaner.